Hi, welcome to Five Mantra. This is BL and Reddy. We are going to discuss about the logic building without using any programming language. Right, it is right. Right, whenever you want to develop any programming language, first of all, you have to understand the problem. No need to concentrate on any language. Language is a simple syntax we have, and with the help of that, we'll implement our analysis for getting a solution. And whenever you want to give a solution for any problem, that problem is real-time problem. Just understand that. Okay, it is a maybe mathematical solution you have to find, maybe business solutions you have to find. Whenever you want to find any logic, first understand the problem, define the problem, understand the scope of the problem, and once it is over, then how to do the problem you have to know. Once you got that information, it's enough, you can get the logic. Okay, and we have a different tools to generate and analyze and enhance the business logic or programming logic. Okay, using any programming language we can implement that. Okay, basically we'll do one problem and we'll give the solutions. How that much easy it is by seeing that you can understand. Okay, and here when you are doing a computer programming, okay, using Java or something XYZ programming language, it's not, don't bother about your language, just concentrate on real-time scenarios, how the problem is existing, what is the solution of that problem. Once you know that, then you can provide automation. Okay, that automation we called as a program application. Okay, that we are developing with the help of different languages. Now, mathematical problem, we'll take one mathematical problem, that is Armstrong number, right? This is basically, if you are an engineering student or something, like you will get this question, right? Armstrong. What is the Armstrong number? This is the big question. Okay, you will get a question like, find Armstrong number, given number is a Armstrong number or not. Otherwise, you will get one question like that. Okay, from 1 to 1000, how many Armstrong numbers you have? What is Armstrong number basically? If you know that, then you can provide a solution. Why? Because you are a mathematics student, right? Now, I'll give the answer, right? Okay, whenever someone asks what is the Armstrong number is, any number, if you take any number, okay, that if you divide this number into cubes, for example, x equal to 153 or something like, okay, and I divide this number into individual digits, and I'll find the cube of individual digits. And once you find the individual digits cube, and 5 cube is nothing but a 125, then 3 cube is nothing but a 27. If you add summation of these 3 digits, you will get once again 153. And that same number, right? This is the same number. And that number we called as a Armstrong number, right? That number we called as a Armstrong number. Now you understood that what is the problem. What is the Armstrong number? You know, right? Okay, now you have to find the Armstrong number. Means what user will give, that is another important one, right? Okay, whenever you want to get something, okay, whenever you want to do something, first of all you have to get the question right. Okay, and some number he will give, some x he will give. You have to find whether it is the Armstrong number or not. Whether this is the Armstrong number or not. Then we'll do that one, how it will be, right? Now you understand the problem, right? Now we have to provide the solution. And basically we'll divide total problem into subparts. Okay, what is the first problem? First, you have to get the input from the user, right? That is important one. Okay, now you will get the input from the user. Okay, he will ask the question whether some x number is Armstrong number or not. Now you got the question right. Now what I have to do? First step, I have to divide 153 into 1, 5, 3. Individual numbers I have to get. Once I got the individual numbers, okay, one step is over. Next, the second step, what I have to do is, I have to get the cube of individual numbers, like 1 cube plus next 5 cube, next 3 cube. Like this is the 3 numbers cube I need. Once it is completed, what I have to do? I have to add this and I have to add this. Summation of, this is the third step is nothing but a summation, right? Sum of 3 digits. Once sum of 3 digits over, then what I have to do? I have to find whether given number is the same number, that sum number is the same or not. Once the sum is the same, then what I have to do? I have to find. This is the Armstrong number, right? Fourth step, I have to comparison. Compare with input. What I have to compare with the input? This is the sum. Already, for example, I have a 153, right? 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. This is nothing but a 153. Then my sum is also 153 and my input is also 153. Means this is the 153 is a Armstrong number, right? 153 is a Armstrong number. Now I got it. Now I understood the problem. Now I divide the total problem into sub-problem also. Once you reach this, okay, you can give the solution. You can write any program. You can use any programming language to develop this. Okay, and here till now I didn't use any programming language. Simply it is a mathematical calculation. Only these are the basic operations already we'll know in a primary school, upper primary school only, right? Now what we will do is we will provide the solution, how to write a program. And before writing a program, how to convert this logic into programmatically. Okay, whenever you want to do this type of programming, like here we have a one tool. That tool we called as a flow chart. What is that? Flow chart. Already we know this flow chart, right? And we know already we have a symbols, the flow chart symbols. Already we will do that one. Okay, just follow this. Armstrong number, whenever you want to get an Armstrong number, first of all you have to get the value. Write some x value, some n number I am taking. I don't know what is the value it is. Okay, once I got the n number, right? Here I am taking n is a one number, right? Okay, now first of all, whenever I want to get this 153, example is the 153, right? First task I have to do that, okay, I have to get a 3 value, and once 3 value, 3 cube if I get, okay, then I can add it. Individual number I have to get. Whenever you want to get a 3 value, how to get it? Mathematically we know that, okay, mod operation, divide operation we have. Now I'll give you one example. 153 is my number, and here I am dividing with the 10. Once 10 is dividing with the 15, the 150. This is the 150. Next you will get a 3 is the remainder. Remainder you will get with the help of mod operation, and this we called as a quotient, right? Okay, remainder will get the mod operation, and this is the quotient, and this is the remainder. Once you got the remainder, you know that triple cube you can get it, and already we have a quotient, and once again we will take the quotient and we will copy into the n, right? And here n is the, instead of 153, what we will do? We will go with the 15. Once again we will do the 15 with the mod 10, that is a 1, that is 10, this is the 5 is the remainder, 1 is the quotient. This once again go with the 5 cube, then you will get some value. Like, so we will do the mod operation and we will do the division operation. With the help of that we will get the individual numbers, right? Okay, before that, now what is the n value? This is the n is the one value we need, that is the 153. Next, what I have to find is, I have to find the remainder, I have to find the quotient, and remainder is first 3 is the remainder. Next, I have to take the summation. This is another important task. Okay, summation is nothing but initialized with the 0, and next quotient we have to find. So mathematically we will find the operation like 153 mod 10 then 15, okay, into 10 is a 153, that is a 3 is the remainder and C is the coefficient, right? So here what we will do, we'll do the first operation is nothing but a 3 more and we'll add into summation. Now zeros will be going to be, that is the 27. Okay, now this is over. Next, I have to copy this coefficient into n. This is the 15 you will get. Here coefficient is the 15. In the next iteration, we'll do the next operation. Okay, in this way we'll find the logic. First of all, we have to get the n value. N value we'll get it, and after that we have to go with the remainder. We have to go with the coefficient, and after that we have to summation, and we'll take the one temporary value. Then temporary value will copy n value. Okay, once I got this, I will do the logic. Okay, and what I have to do is, first of all, n, I have to divide mod operation with the 10, that I'll save into the r. Okay, this is the r value, and once again, once I got a r value, what I have to do is I have to divide by 10 with the n. That value I will save into the C, that is the coefficient will be saved into the C. Once I got the C value will be copied into n. This is the step I have to do. And after completion of this, what main task is, once I got a reminder, I have to find the cube of that, and next topic is I have to do the summation, right? So here I'll do that. Here what I'll do, I'll take the cube of remainder, I'll save into the sum. And this is the first step is okay. Next step, whenever I am doing this, I have to go in this way. That is the sum plus r means, that is a 0 is 27, it will come. Next iteration, I'll give the 125 has to be save into the 27. Okay, and the next iteration 27 plus 125 plus and 1. This is the value I have to get. So to get this, what I'll do, s equal to s plus r cube. This is the step I'll do. Now s equal to, we'll get that one. Automatically the s value will be saved into the, initially it is a 0 value, next it will be saved into the new value. S is a 0, already I initialized, so I'll do the initialization, that is a 0. Now once condition will check every time. Okay, what is the condition? N should not be getting 0, right? Last at if you do mathematically, if you do that, that will be getting 0. When getting 0, I have to come out. So n must be greater than 0. This is the important task. I have to do that one, right? Yeah, whenever n greater than 0, once again it will do that one. Okay. Now first we'll do the iterations. First iteration 153 n mod 10. That is the remainder. You will get a 3 value, and the next one is the n by 10. That is the 15, and n equal to C. The right 15 will be copied into the n value. Now s equal to s plus r, s equal to 0, 0 plus r cube is nothing but a, this is the 27, 27 will be saved into the s. Next iteration will be continued. In this iteration we'll go with the, once again we'll check with the 15. 15 is greater than 0 or not? Yes, it is true. Then we'll go with the operation n mod 10, that is 15 mod 10. 15 mod 10 is, you will get 5 is the remainder is the 5, and coefficient is the 1, right? 5, 1 you will get. And here what we are doing is, once again we will do the next step, s equal to s plus r cube. What is r cube? That is a 125, already we know that. What is the s value? That is a 27. That is nothing but a 152, right? 152. This is the value is 150, 152. This is the value you got. Once it is completed, what I have to do? C has to be copied into n, that is the 15 will be replaced with the 1 value. And the 1 is greater than 0. Yes, it is true, then it will enter into this. If it is a true, it will enter into this. If it is a false, it will enter into this, right? So true, then once again 1 mod 10 you will get a remainder is 1 and the coefficient is 0. 1 cube is 1, that is the 153. S value will be the 153. In this way we'll get the 153. Now this is the 152 will be replaced with the 153. Once again this 0 value will be copied into this. So here 0. Now the condition is true, then it will, condition is false, when it will false it will come into this direction. Here we'll do the another section. What we have to do, that is the fourth step we have to do. These temporary value and C value is the same or not. Already we copied into T, we copied, that is a 153, and some number is available in a S value. We have to compare. When T equal to S, it's true, then we can say this is the Armstrong number. Otherwise we can say it's a not Armstrong number. Over. This is the end. In this way we'll solve the problem. Okay, we have any queries or anything, please follow our channel and give the comments and subscribe our channel and give your doubts or any queries or anything. We'll make session on that, and if it is required we'll make the session and we'll clarify your doubts. Okay, thank you.